In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register BMO Harris bank account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate the website, choose the right account, and complete the online application with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and searching for BMO Harris Bank. From the official site, head to the online banking section titled Sign In and Bank Online. Once you're there, look for the checking and savings area and select bank accounts. This is where you can compare BMO's checking options. You'll see choices like BMO Smart Advantage Checking, BMO Smart Money Checking, and BMO Relationship Checking. Take a moment to read the brief descriptions to see which best fits your needs, such as everyday banking, budgeting, or earning relationship benefits. When you're ready, click Open Now on the account you want. You may be asked if you'd like to bundle a Savings Builder account with a Smart Advantage checking account. Choose yes or no based on whether you want to start saving alongside your checking, then click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll complete the application. Enter your contact information, including your full name, email address, and a phone number where you can be reached for updates. Provide your residential address. If you have an apartment or suite, use address line 2. Fill in your city, state, and zip to ensure the bank can verify your location. Continue with your date of birth, then enter your social security number or ITIN. This is used for identity verification and tax reporting purposes. Select your citizenship status and your employment status from the available options so the bank can better understand your profile. You'll then choose your card style. If you prefer not to receive a debit card, check the box indicating you don't want one. If available, you can also opt to receive 5 complimentary checks. Decide whether you're opening an individual account or a joint account, depending on whether you're the only owner or sharing ownership with someone else. Before submitting, review the disclosures and check the terms and conditions box to confirm you agree. If you have a promo code, click the I have a promo code option and enter it exactly as provided to ensure any offer is applied. Finally, click Submit Application. After submission, watch for confirmation and any follow-up requests from the bank. Keep your identification and funding details handy in case additional verification is needed. And that's it. Your online registration for a BMO Harris bank account is complete.